Dots and TODS are an alternative to algebra tiles, two-coloured or double-sided counters that are often used in maths to represent positive and negative numbers and an understanding of zero pairs. Our unique representations help to develop a concrete understanding of mathematical concepts rather than simply learning rules without really knowing and understanding what is happening and why. Each white dot counter is used to represent a value of +1. To represent the value +4, 4 white dot counters are used. If 2 more white dots are added to the group, altogether a value of +6 is represented. Each black Todd counter represents a value of a -1. To make the value -4, 4 black Todd counters are used. To make the value -6, 2 more black Todd counters would be added, each one with a value of -1, altogether representing the value of -6. To be able to understand the rules of adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers, it's essential to have a secure understanding of zero pairs. Zero pairs are when two opposite numbers, each with the same digit, add together to make 0. But for this to happen, one of the numbers has to be positive and the other has to be negative. A white dot counter with a value of +1 can be added to a black Todd counter that has a value of -1. Together they combine and interlock to make a clear representation of a zero pair, as +1 added to -1 is equal to 0, and a -1 added to a +1 is also equal to 0. When pupils are first introduced to the concept of adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers, they often make a common mistake, and here's an example. When adding +3 and -3 together, they will often get an answer of either +6 or -6 when neither of these is correct. Dots and TODS are an excellent way to help children understand this through the use of zero pairs. Every time one white dot is added to a black Todd, they cancel each other out as a +1 add a -1 is equal to 0. So we have made a zero pair. Simply, this can be repeated 3 times. Therefore, the children have now made 3 zero pairs. +3 add -3 is equal to 0. More examples of how to use our dots and TODS counters to add, subtract, multiply and divide negative and positive numbers can be found in our other tutorial videos.